In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital card from your Revolut account to your Apple Wallet, seamlessly integrating your financial tools. Before we jump into the steps, make sure you're already registered and logged into your Revolut app, as this process relies on having access to your account. Let's get started by opening your Apple Wallet on your device. Look at the top right corner of the screen and you should see a little plus button. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to adding new cards or passes, and it's where we'll find the option to integrate with your apps. Now, as you scroll down, you'll notice a section labeled From Apps on your phone. This is where all the magic happens. You'll want to find and select Revolut from this list. It's a straightforward process, but if you have a lot of apps, take your time to scroll until you spot it. After selecting the Revolut app, you'll be directed to the Add Cards section. Here, in this area, you should see a list of the digital cards associated with your Revolut account. Choose the card that you wish to add to your Apple Wallet. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue to affirm your choice. At this point, you will see a page with terms and conditions related to the addition of your card to the Apple Wallet. Don't skim past this part. While it may seem tedious, it's essential to understand the agreement you're entering into. Carefully read through to ensure you know all the details, then click Agree to move forward. This action signifies your acceptance of the terms laid out. Once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, you've reached the finish line. The card you've selected from your Revolut app will now be available directly in your Apple Wallet. And there you have it, a smooth transition of your financial tools into one easy-to-access location. Integrating your Revolut digital card into your Apple Wallet is not only convenient, but also a great way to manage your finances efficiently. Everything you need is now at your fingertips, ready for whenever you need it. Don't forget, having your cards all in one place means making payments is a breeze, whether you're at the store or shopping online. That wraps up our guide for today. Thank you for joining me as we walk through these steps. I hope this was helpful and that you're all set up for a hassle-free payment experience using your Apple Wallet. See you next time, and happy spending.